Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and assalamu alaikum. This is Sabdar Lithuania and welcome to my YouTube channel ST News English. And today we will discuss about noun numbers. So let's start our lecture properly. Noun numbers. So noun numbers are two types. How many types of noun numbers are there? There are two types of noun numbers. Singular noun. Singular noun denotes only one. It means only one. And second is plural noun. A plural noun denotes more than one. So there are two types of noun numbers: singular noun and plural noun. Singular noun means only one, and plural noun means more than one. So let's start the rules for making noun numbers. Rule number one: plural nouns generally are made by adding s. So we make singular noun into a plural noun by adding s. We can use s after the letters like a, b, c, d, e, g, h, i, j, k, l, m, n, p, r, t, v, w, etc. So these are the letters. After them we will add s to make their plural. Note: okay, s is pronounced as s if it comes after the letter like f and k, like letter like p and k and f. Otherwise it is pronounced as z if it comes after b, d, g, h, j, l, m, n, r, and w. And when s comes after c, e, g, e, s, e, z, e, or simply e, so an extra syllable is added to spoken words. For example, singular noun and plural nouns. For example, zebra. So we will say zebras. So we are adding z, zebras. Club, clubs. Now we are adding z, clubs, not clubs. Bed, beds. Keg, kegs. Bag, bags. Park, parks. Girl, girls. Van, vans. Lamp, lamps. Teacher, teachers. Mat, mats. Computer, computers. Rule number two. Rule number two: noun ending in hissing sounds such as s, sh, z, or sh. So if a noun ending on s, double s, sh, or x, or double z, or ch, so it takes es to form their plural, and extra syllable is added when we spoke those words. So this is not s, but this is es. So we add es after these words, like class, 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 class plus es, classes. Glass, glasses. Bus, buses. Church, brush, brushes, brushes. Church, churches. Bush, bushes. Box, boxes. Fox, foxes. Match, matches. Dish, dishes. Bench, benches. Bus, buses. Rule number three is that if noun ending in o, and if there is a vowel letter like double o, I o, e o, or yo before it, generally makes their plural by adding only s after it. Or these words are mostly derived from the foreign language or other language words. That's why we add only s, like zoo, zoos, like claw, claws. So claw is not ending on double o, I o, e o, or y o, but claw is foreign language word. This is not pure English words. That's why we will say claws. Ratios, ratio, ratios. Stereo, stereos. Cuckoo, cuckoos. Video, videos. Bamboo, bamboos. Radio, radios. Memo, memos. Photo, photos. autos, embryo, embryos, logo, logos. In this list, there are some words that are taken from foreign languages or other languages. That's why they are following their own rules. Rule number 4, if a noun is ending in O and there is a consonant letter before it, generally makes plural by adding es after it, like mango, mangoes, like hero, heroes, like tomato, tomatoes, potato, potatoes, buffalo, buffaloes, echo, echoes. But note, some words can follow both rules, S or ES rule, like mosquito, mosquitoes. We can add ES or S also. Volcanoes, volcanoes. Zeros, yeah, tornadoes. So these are the four words. With these four words, we can either use S rule or ES rule, depending on us. Rule number 5 is if a word is ending in Y and there is a consonant before Y, so the Y is replaced into I and then we will add ES to make their plural. Yeah, it's plural. For example, like lady, so lady, so Y is removed minus Y and then we are adding I and then ES, ladies. Baby, babies. Story, stories. Lorry, lorries. Duty, duties. Sky, skies. Country, countries. Century, centuries. Family, families. Copy, copies. Puppy, puppies. City, cities. Rule number 6 is if a noun is ending on Y and it is preceded by a vowel letter, so Y remains unchanged and just S is added to make it plural. Like story, stories. So we are not removing Y. We are not replacing Y with I, but we are just adding S. Like donkey, donkeys, key, keys, twice, boy, boys, ray, race, bay, bays, day, days, valley, valleys, essay, essays, guy, guys. Rule number 7, if a noun is ending in F or FE and it is preceded by A, I, or L, so F or FE are replaced into V and then we add ES after it. So there are 12 in quantity. So these 12 nouns we have to keep in mind and other will follow the S rules like cough, coughs, half, halves. So we are removing F or FE and replacing these F and FE with V and then we are adding ES. Shelf, shelves, self, selves, leaf, leaves, thief, thieves, loof, loos, wolf, wolves, wife, wives, life, lives, sheep, sheaves, knife, knives. So these are the 12 total in number. So these, if we remember these 12 numbers, remaining all the nouns that are ending on F or FE or double F, whatever, so they will follow only S rule to make their plurals. Rule number 8, like a word ending in F or E double F or O double F or F or RF. So these kind of words make their plural by ending S, like cliff, cliffs, stuff, stops, roof, roofs, reef, reefs, belief, beliefs, chief, chiefs, golf, golfs, safe, safes. And also there are some words like hoof, scarf, wharf, and trough. These are the four nouns. They take both rules, S rule or VES. We can say hooves, hooves. We can say scarf, scarves or scarves. We can say draft, drafts or drafts. We can say wharf, wharfs or wharf. So these are four. Rule number 10. Some nouns form their plural by changing inside vowel, like foot, feet, tooth, teeth, louse, lice, mouse, mice, man, men. woman, women, goose, geese, dormouse, dormice, and the plural of child becomes children, and the plural of ox become oxen. Rule number 12, some nouns have some singular and plural nouns like sheep, sheep, fish, fish, deer, deer, aircraft, aircraft, spacecraft, spacecraft, like pair, pair, like dozen, dozen, score, score, swine, swine, hare, hare, like palace, palace. So these singular and plural are same. Rule number 13, some compounds noun make their plural noun by adding s after the main part of the word, like father, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. So main part of this word is mother. So we are adding s after mothers-in-law, like father, fathers-in-law, brother, brothers-in-law, sister, sisters-in-law, son, sons-in-law, daughter, daughters-in-law, stepsons, stepson. So stepsons. Son is the main part. So sons we are adding. Stepdaughter, stepdaughters, stepmother, stepmothers, stepfather, stepfathers, maid servant, maid servants, class fellow, class fellows. The main part is fellow, so we are adding s after it. Rule number, there are four compound nouns which take double plural, like knight, templar. So it will become knights, templar, man, servant, men, servants, lord, justice, lord, justice, lord's justice, women servant, women servants. Rule number 14. Some nouns are always used in plural form and take plural verbs like clothes, trousers, scissors, riches, proceeds, goggles, goggles, spectacles, glasses, obsequies, premises, chronicles, troubles, efforts, quarters, goods, wares, outskirts, surroundings, police, drawers, longs, binoculars, arms, inwards, arms like weapons, greens like vegetable, we can say, assets, damage, savings, steers, valuables, lights, pincers, pilers, evas, tidings, spirits, pajamas, billows, kettles, chattels, compensations, earrings, pants, gowns, pants, shorts, shears, annals, scales, thanks, and nuptials. These are all always used in plural forms and they always take plural noun, verb. Rule number 15. Some nouns look plural but they are in fact singular and takes singular verb, like mathematics, politics, rackets, ethics, measles, athletes, news, shingles, bombs, innings, billiards, draughts, dominoes, electronics, physics, and droughts. These, these nouns looks like plural, but they are actually not plural. They are singular nouns. They take singular verb. Thanks for watching this video. This is all about the noun numbers. If you have any kind of difficulty, any kind of confusion, or any questions, you can ask me in comment section, and subscribe this my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thanks very much. Allah Hafiz.